Hey guys, it's Ryan here with U-Haul. If you're going to be towing a trailer with your Buick Rendezvous, you're going to need wiring. It's required by law. Let's go ahead and show you how to install that. All right guys, we're going to go ahead and get behind our taillights to go ahead and get to our connection points on each the driver and the passenger side. And because of the limited space behind the taillights, we're going to run our wiring through our paneling to make it a little bit easier. All right guys, the first step is going to go ahead and be removing this threshold here. So we're going to pull it up, being careful not to break these little plastic tabs that go into these inserts here. Next step is going to be to go ahead and remove these cargo hooks. They're going to be the same on both the driver and the passenger side. And we're going to remove those using a 10mm socket. Alright guys, next we're going to go ahead and pull back on this paneling. Now you don't have to remove the whole panel, you just have to pry it back just enough so we gain access to this hole back in here. That gives us access to our taillight area. We also want to make sure not to break this tab when we go ahead and pull it back. Same thing on the passenger side. Next we're going to go ahead and remove our taillights using a Phillips head screwdriver. There's 2 on each side, so we're going to go ahead and pull those out. You want to be careful when removing your taillight. There's 2 connection points up here to go ahead and help you align it into position. We're going to go ahead and pull down on this piece here and just disconnect our taillight. We're going to repeat the process on the passenger side. All right, we're up over here on the driver's side. We're going to go ahead and remove this grommet so we can make an incision to be able to fit our connection through. Go ahead and take a utility knife and just make a nice little incision straight through there. Just enough to fit that connection point through. And the same thing on the passenger side. All right, back up here on the driver's side, we're going to take the yellow and brown connection, and we're going to go ahead and route that through that access hole that we mentioned earlier, out through to the taillight connection. I'm going to route it out through here. And clip it straight back into the existing wiring. Making sure you hear that click so there's a good connection. Take the wire and route it through and put your grommet back in. Next we're going to go ahead and replace our taillight by connecting the T connector into the taillight itself. Making sure you hear that click with a nice connection as well. We're just going to take the screws and go ahead and secure our taillight housing back in. All right, over here on the passenger side, you see we have this ground wire. We're going to go ahead and make sure that we go ahead and attach that to the vehicle body now. As you can see, there's a bunch of excess wiring, so we're just going to take it and clean it up and hide it behind our driver's side paneling. And then we're going to go ahead and take the rest and hide it up under our carpet so it's out of the way. All right, now that we've got our wiring routed behind our paneling here, we're going to go ahead and put the weather stripping back around our panels. And we're going to go ahead and put our cargo hooks back in. And then tighten it down with a 10mm socket. Now with the installation of our wiring harness complete, we'll show you there's a few different places where you can route your 4-flat connection. First one is going to be up here behind your cargo door. You can take it and run it straight out here and shut the trunk here on the weather stripping with no problems to the connection. Then you'll tuck it back up in there and leave it safely out of the way. What you can also do, which is what this customer decided to do, is route it underneath the vehicle, running the wire through here, adding an extension, and routing it through this grommet right here on the driver's side. Also make sure that you take your carpet and run it back on under your paneling. And then you're going to take your threshold and you're going to make sure that these locking tabs click right back into those same locations, making sure not to snap any. All right, now that we've got our 4-flat connection routed out underneath our vehicle, we're gonna go ahead and get it as close as we can to the receiver tube opening using part number CQT118144. We're gonna go ahead and take it, we're gonna put it up, and we're gonna go ahead and get some holes drilled for our hardware. I'm gonna go ahead and take the provided screw and I'm gonna put it through the hole that I just drilled so I can get the bracket lined up for the next hole as well. All right, then we're gonna go ahead and put it back up and use it as a template for the second hole. Now we're going to go ahead and take the 4-flat wiring and make sure that these ridges here sit in between these grooves here. And then once you fit that through there, you're going to want to put your dust cover back on top of your 4-flat connection. And that's how you install a 4-flat connection on a Buick Rendezvous. Whether you're towing a trailer, going camping or bike riding, be safe and have fun.